welcome to my vlog again. So this is the part 3 of my video. I'm here in Lalaport, as you can see. So as my previous video, we're here at the Sky Bridge, second floor of Lalaport. We're going to pass through this beautiful sky bridge with this kind of ceiling, as you can see there. So we're going to the south building of Lalaport. So that's the north building, and this is the south building. This is the orange one, and that's the green one. Okay, so there. So I'm on the second floor. So we're going to start on the first floor, of course. So we're going to start on the first floor. I'm here on the second floor, but I want to go to the first floor first. So we're going down. So that's the Sky Bridge, as you can see. Before we passed through it, that's the Sky Bridge of the Lalaport. So I'm going down on the first floor of South Mall of Lalaport. Lalaport. Okay, so let's roam around again. Okay, we're going down now. So guys, that's the entrance, as you can see. There. That's the entrance of the mall here in South Mall, Lalaport. So okay. So this is the first floor. Ooh, you can see here. Also, this is the north, then that is the south. So there's so many stores in the north because it's more larger, it's more huge than the south. So here we are. This is the entrance, and this is the first floor. So first floor has restaurants first. Restaurants there. There are so many restaurants too, but not like on the north. The north building has so many restaurants, but this one it has only few, I guess. It only has a few stores, not like on the north building. The north building has so many, as in so many restaurants inside the the fifth floor. But here it's only few. So let's roam around. Let's go around circles again. And let me show you around the South Mall first floor. Smells so good. Oh, there. So that's the north, the green one. North building. Okay, so this is south. It really smells good here. I really love the smell of chocolate. Chocolate. What's this? Coffee farm. Okay. So that's it. So this south mall of Lalaport is really small, as you can see. There's only a few stores on the first floor, and it's really not that big, not like on the north. So we're going to the second floor. Let's roam around the second floor. I really don't know how many floors are in the south, but let's find out. Okay. Let's find out. You know, I really love roaming around the mall. I really love that. Even though I'm alone, I really love it. Why they keep on looking at me? My gosh, I'm not a celebrity, guys. I'm not. No. I just love to vlog. That's all. So I'm on the second floor right now. So here you can see Uniqlo, GU. So I think the second floor is more on clothing stores. Yeah. Hi. There are children that really likes to look at the camera. Ooh. There's a baby. Oh, there. So second floor, clothing line, then shoes, ABC Mart. So there's only few stores here again, as in only few. So there's only ABC Mart, Uniqlo, and GU, and this Hands. It's like a bookstore. Nothing else, I think. Am I right? Oh yeah. And the Nico and again Nico and there. So there, ABC Mart, then Uniqlo again. So it's really small. It's really kind of small mall, you know. So let's go to the third floor. What's with the third floor? There's so many line. They fall in line. Look. What's with the third floor? Why there are so many people falling in line? What's up? I'm really curious, guys. What are they falling in line? There are so many people falling in line on the third floor. I really don't know what's up. What's with the crowd? Oh, I think I know. Is it a restaurant? Are they falling in line for the restaurant? I think. Oh, let's find out. So here on the third floor, you can see the kids' clothing line, and there's games there like Gigo, Metro Oasis, outdoors, and wait, they are so crowded. If you're a bit claustrophobic or something, this mall was really crowded, I think, especially on weekends. It's Sunday, so I think it's really crowded today. Look, there's so many people falling in line, and I think this is because of a restaurant. Maybe that's a wild guess. So they have Nitori. So I think this is the restaurant. They are falling in line. That one. Maybe it's an only buffet. Maybe. Oh my gosh, I really don't know how am I going to pass through this crowd. Excuse me. Wow, wow, wow. So there. So this is a restaurant. So my guess is right. So there. So this is the restaurant. As you can see. There. So they're falling in line for that restaurant. And there. That's it. And this Gigo. This arcade games for kids and kids at heart, I think. And there. That's it for the 3rd floor. So we're going up on the 4th floor. Let's see what's inside the 4th floor. Oh, look at this escalator. You see the space? It's so small. As you can see, this is a small escalator. It's too small, you see? So cute. Oh, okay. So the 4th floor is for parking lot. Parking. So there's no stores here. And the 5th floor, let's see what's in the 5th floor. Parking lot again, I think it's a parking lot again. So it's so hot here. There's no aircon. Okay, it's a parking lot. Yeah. As you can see there, this is a parking lot. There. So we're going down. So that's it. I really didn't know that it's going to be short, the video, because I really didn't know that the South Mall of Lalaport is really that small. Just roaming around, it took me 12 minutes only. That's really fast. Not like on the North building. It took me 40 to 50 minutes. So I guess the North is larger, obviously, than the South Mall. So, okay. I guess that's going to be the end of our video. So, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you really like our video for today. So I'm going down and just roam around a bit and take a rest, and I think I'm going to find a food that I like. I really want to eat because I'm kind of hungry. So I'm going down, and yeah. There's nothing I can say. So I hope you guys like our video for today. And this is Lalaport, the North and the South Mall. And I hope you enjoy roaming around with me. And until the next video, I really don't know which place are we going to vlog again, but maybe we can go roam around another time on another place and on another mall or something. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Annyeong! So again, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. I hope you like roaming around with me here in this mall. That's the entrance and the exit. Let's see outside. Let's see what's outside, what it looks like. Wow. So there Lalaport. This is the Lalaport South Mall, the orange one there. As you can see, the orange one. Yeah. So So there, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you really like my video, and I hope I get a thumbs up and a subscribe and a share from you guys. And yeah, so there. So if you really like to roam around the mall and you really like so many stores and everything, you should try to go to the north first, because it has more stores than the south mall. And the restaurants also, it also has so many stores, restaurants inside the north than the south. So there, if you really want to roam around this mall, this Lalaport mall, this mall, you should wear comfortable shoes. Yeah. And that's for me too, because I wear my shoes and I didn't know that it's going to be achy. It's going to be, I didn't know. So yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and yeah, annyeong. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. See you on my next vlog. Peace. Quick storytelling now. I just lost my phone. I left it in the comfort room in the WC, and I'm busy vlogging around, and it has been, I think, 3 hours since I left my phone in the comfort room, and I didn't notice it. Then I went back in the comfort room and it's not there anymore, but the janitress is the one who saw it, I think, and she brought it to the information, and it's back to me. It came back. I saw it here. Oh my gosh, I'm really thankful for her, and thank you. They are so honest here, and they just didn't pick things that they know that it's not their own. So I'm really grateful for that. My gosh, akala ko talaga nawala na yung cellphone ko. My goodness, I really thought I'd lost my phone. Oh my gosh, you see, I'm so sweaty. I really thought I lost it. Almost lost it. But I'm really glad that they found it and they just put it and brought it to the information. And I'm really grateful for that. Thank you, Taroko Mall. My goodness. I'm so nervous actually. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much, whoever saw my phone and whoever get my phone. Thank you so much. I really appreciated it. Thank you so much. That's it.